Imagine a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. A SpaceX capsule carrying 4 astronauts descends into the Pacific Ocean just off the Southern California coast, marking a historic moment. This is the first time in 50 years that a NASA crew has splashed down in this area, and it's a significant milestone in the history of space exploration. On Saturday morning, the capsule, which had been orbiting the Earth as part of the International Space Station (ISS) mission, made a soft landing at 8:33 a.m. The crew, consisting of NASA astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers, Japan's Takuya Onishi, and Russia's Kirill Peskov, had spent 5 months in space, replacing the 2 NASA astronauts who were originally supposed to return via Boeing Starliner capsule. But here's where it gets controversial. The original plan for the Starliner mission went awry, leading to a series of unexpected events.
Boeing's Starliner capsule experienced technical issues, forcing NASA to extend the stay of astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams on the ISS from 1 week to over 9 months. In response, NASA decided to bring the Starliner back empty and switch the stranded astronauts to SpaceX for their return trip. Wilmore has since retired from NASA, adding another layer to the story. As the capsule touched down, SpaceX Mission Control radioed a warm welcome. "Welcome home." The successful splashdown was a testament to the resilience and adaptability of both the astronauts and the space agencies involved. Before departing the ISS, Anne McClain reflected on the current state of the world, noting the tumultuous times on Earth and the struggles people are facing. She emphasized the importance of collaboration and unity, saying, "We want this mission, our mission, to be a reminder of what people can do when we work together, when we explore together." For McClain and her crew, the return to Earth means a much-needed break. McClain joked about looking forward to doing nothing for a couple of days, once back in Houston. Her crewmates had a few requests of their own, topping the list with hot showers and juicy burgers, simple pleasures that become luxuries after months in space. This splashdown marks SpaceX's 3rd Pacific landing with humans on board, but it's the first for a NASA crew in 5 decades. The decision to switch from Florida to California for these landings was made to minimize the risk of debris falling on populated areas. The previous NASA splashdown in the Pacific occurred during the 1975 Apollo-Soyuz mission, a symbolic meeting of American and Soviet astronauts in orbit, symbolizing a thaw in Cold War tensions. So what does this mean for the future of space travel? And this is the part most people miss. The success of this mission not only highlights the capabilities of commercial space companies like SpaceX, but also underscores the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. What are your thoughts on the role of private companies in space missions? Do you think they will eventually overshadow government space agencies? Or will there always be a need for collaboration between the two?